Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I'm super excited to kick off a new series today. I'm going to have a birthday card each and every day in September. I decided to do this because, one, it's my birthday month. My birthday is the 4th, which this year it's on Labor Day. I always love it when that happens. And I'm on number 2. I'm doing it because I'm hosting a birthday card challenge in the Crafty Fun with Friends of LV Handcrafted Facebook group. I will link all that below. And then I thought, for the third reason, why not? It's a great way to build up my stash of birthday cards. Maybe that'll encourage me to send them on time. Probably not, but I can think that. So I'm excited to share each day a new birthday card with you. I am shopping my stash, so a lot of things may not be available. Plus, I am actually starting to do this in July. So what might be available when I record it may not be available when it's actually published. So I apologize if that happens, but everything that I could find is linked in the description box below. So let's get started. For today's card, I used the super cute unicorn Bday Anya from the Greeting Farm. So fun. I used some super old circle Nestabilities from Spellbinders. I mean, these are really vintage craft supplies, but they still work just fine. I'm using some very old My Mind's Eye, My Girl. I think it was from 2013. Yeah, using some vintage paper. Went for all the stash things today. And then I had fun with some unicorn stickles. It's a really pretty, almost has like gold undertones. So I really liked that. And here is my card to kick off this birthday card series. There's that cute Anya. I forgot I did use a sketch from Mojo Monday. I will try to link to that in the or share which one it was in the description box below. If I forget, it's also on my blog. When I picked out the papers and I cut them all out, I wanted a little bit more definition between the layers. So I did some ink blending with some yellow. All my inks were from Stamping Up and the cardstock. And then I was like, I really want it to show just a little bit more. So I put some of that unicorn stickles around all the layers too. And it gives it that shine, and it also gives it that definition that I wanted. I then colored up the cute Anya. I added some touches of that same stickles to her so it's cohesive. And then popped her up. She's on a pop dot, well, a stamping dimensional. And then I added some enamel dots, which are from Gina Marie Designs. And then I put it together, and I thought that it turned out so cute. I really like how it did give the separation of the layers without like having cardstock. And on the inside, hugs, kisses, and birthday wishes. There's that unicorn cake, just some banners up there. So there is my first birthday card for my birthday card a day in September. I'm so excited for this, and I hope that you will stop by every day and see what birthday card I create. Until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.